Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I decided to film a realistic day in my life cleaning vlog, and I partnered with Freebeat to bring you guys this video. So I've been wearing these red pajamas, and I recently noticed that they've been like staining my sheets, and unfortunately I already washed and dried them with that stain, so I thought today is a day that I would try to rewash my sheets and see if I can remove the stain. I didn't have much hope, but I decided to give it a go anyway. So while I waited for my clothes to finish washing, I got ready for the day and decided to take my dog Benji on a little walk. I've made it a new goal to take him out on longer walks so we both can get our exercise in. After I came back, my sheets were done, so I put them in a dryer and decided to do a mini workout on my Freebeat bike. I love cycling, and when I don't go to the gym, it's a quick way to get a nice full body workout in, and is a lot cheaper than going to a cycling class. I really love the look of the bike. It was designed and engineered in Switzerland and has the cutest wooden flywheel. There are so many on-demand classes that are 15 to 30 minutes long that you can choose from, so you'll never get bored with your workout. I also really love the auto resistance system that automatically changes your resistance to match your instructor's cues. And there's also a vertical and horizontal saddle sensor that helps to improve your gamified workouts so you can gain more points while riding. And once you're done with your workout, you have the option to turn your 22-inch rotatable screen and do a strength training workout, which is pretty cool. This is definitely going to be an essential for me, especially since the weather is getting super cold and I don't always feel like leaving my house to go to the gym. So if you guys are interested, Freebeat is having an amazing deal, and you can use my code that will give you $100 off on top of existing deals that are on the website. It's hard to see, but unfortunately I wasn't able to remove the stain. I think the only thing I can do is either get new bed sheets or maybe soak it in bleach for a couple of hours, but I don't know what that will do to the material, so I don't know. But I'm back in my room, putting my bed sheets back on my bed.
Getting my weight, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home, if you let me put it down.
So after that, I decided to put away some of my clean clothes that I washed the other day. I feel like I was already on a roll, so now was the best time to do it.
Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road.
This is random, but I usually rip off my workout clothes once I'm done working out. But this workout set from Amazon is super soft and comfortable. Well, I guess it's not really a set, but I bought like 2 pieces and made them a set.
You should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So I'm just putting away my socks. I use the Kamari method to fold my socks, and honestly, best decision I ever made. I used to fold my socks the regular way and it took up so much space, but this just allows me to clearly see everything and fit more socks in my drawer. I used to have a lot more, but my sister steals my socks on a daily basis, so this is all I have. I just realized how many white workout shirts I have. Like, I need some other colors. I finally finished putting away my laundry and decided to move on to cleaning my floor by my bed. I had a lot of dirty clothes on the floor because my laundry was occupied with my clean clothes. Yeah, so just putting everything in the laundry basket.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through.
Those are the red pajamas, by the way. Honestly, for what it did to my sheets, I should get rid of it, but I love them so much. I just can't bear to do it.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
Those random items on your floor when you're trying to clean are the worst because, you just don't know where to put them, and it just makes the process go a lot longer than you want it to.
Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like
I'm always losing my tech stuff. I can never find my chargers, my batteries, and it really sets me back on my filming days. Instead of just going crazy every time I'm doing something, I put all my tech stuff in these bins because I had a lot of stuff missing, and I'm just going to organize them. I'm so glad I took the time to do this because weeks after I did this, it took me no time at all to find like little things that I need. And I just hope that I keep this little basket organized because it's been making life so much easier. I did not feel like vacuuming, so I just swept my carpet, and I mean, it got the job done. So I'm happy with how everything looks. So after doing all of that, I got really hungry and decided to make myself some eggs. So my go-to is eggs, avocado, and toast, but the avocado was rotten. So I just made eggs and toast, and it was honestly really just pathetic. I mean, look at the way I'm folding the egg. Like, please send help. I was really struggling. I'm not used to filming myself making anything, so I think I was just extra nervous that day. And then I decided, okay, since the avocado is rotten, let me spice it up and add some cheese. And the cheese also looks pathetic, but it was good. So while I was eating my breakfast, I decided to catch up on some emails, plan the rest of my day out, and get some editing done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't film myself cleaning my entire room this day because I had other things I needed to do, and I ended up finishing it the next day and I didn't film that. But I do have a longer cleaning video that will be uploaded on my channel pretty soon, within the next week or so, because my room is insane right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.